Hello, my name is Simon Gidlov and welcome to the joint fasten presentation. Today I will guide you through the joint level process control, which is the first step of our smart integrated assembly concept and the foundation for transformation to a smart factory. Throughout all manufacturing industries, the challenges we are facing are very much the same. The fast-changing demand from end customers requires an increased production mix and a need for a more flexible production, resulting in systems that are more complex. Therefore, interaction that enables smooth adoptions to new technologies is more critical than ever. In addition, sustainability is becoming a key challenge within manufacturing and something that we all need to act on.
Building our modern society has come at a cost. Climate change is the defining issue of our time, and we are all aware that we must take action. But there is hope. The indisputable changes we see in the world and a growing awareness among the public are building pressure on governments and businesses to act. The industrial sector, which includes the manufacturing industry, accounts for roughly 1/5 of the global greenhouse gas emissions. The industry must therefore change to become part of the solution. By integrating new technologies, analytics and machine learning into their production facilities, manufacturers are creating the fourth industrial revolution through smart factories. The Atlas Copco Smart Integrated Assembly is our concept for manufacturers looking to transform into a smart factory. As a strategic partner, we help you to take the leap to the era of Industry 4.0 and realize your smart factory. No matter where you are in your transformation journey, and regardless of which industry you work in, we will support you on your road to the smart factory. Together, we will take responsibility for a sustainable future.
In order to address these challenges and to support you in your journey to a smart factory, Atlas Copco has built a modular ecosystem to help you transform your manufacturing processes and in doing so help you to fulfill your sustainability, productivity and profitability goals. To be more specific, with this modular ecosystem, we can help you to achieve an increase in uptime, reduce the amount of defects, increase the flexibility, making introduction of new products or variants easier, improve your productivity rates, and improve the human interaction experience, as well as reduce your energy usage and your carbon footprint. A common way to perform tightening is using an air tool. Air tools are fast and light, but there are limitations that needs to be taken into account. The first challenge relates to one for the most critical areas of today's manufacturing industry, the need to become more sustainable. Study shows that 30% of all energy used in a manufacturing facility comes from producing compressed air. Building and maintaining an airline infrastructure is a complex and time-consuming activity. In average, 20 to 30% of all compressed air is lost due to leakage in the airline infrastructure. As an example, a hole of only 1.5 millimeter in diameter will cost up to €1,000 per year. Air leaks will also have a significant effect on the assembly tool's performance. Low pressure and pressure drops reduce the tool power by up to 30%, affecting its productivity and efficiency. To summarize, with the transition to electric tools, a considerable impact towards improved sustainability can be achieved. Just by transforming one tool, a reduction of 4.0 tons of CO2 per year is possible, which accounts for a cost saving of up to €300 per tool per year. The second challenge is related to the variety of joints that needs to be tightened in a common assembly station. Multiple tools are needed to perform tightenings on different torque levels. If the station has a single operator, that person would have to change tools in a strict order depending on the joints that needs to be fastened. An electric tool has the capability to handle multiple predefined torque levels. In this case, all the air tools can be replaced with a single electric tools. Transforming to a battery tools will also increase the flexibility and safety as no air hoses are needed. The third challenge is the lack of operator feedback and missing process data. An air tool will perform the tightening quickly, but all it gives you is a click. Performing the same tightening with an electric tool will give you immediate operator feedback with valuable process data. In this case, an non-okay tightening was performed, not reaching the specific requirements. The tool will immediately give the feedback to the operator regarding the overall tightening status and key parameters. When the tightening result is within the specified requirements, the tool will give a clear and visible OK to the operator. Let's take a deeper look into the tightening process itself to understand the fourth challenge. When performing a tightening, there are many different parameters that are important. The most common one that is controlled is the final torque. At this joint, we are tightening to a specific torque, but the torque is reached before the bolt is seated, which can be for several reasons, for example a bolt with a damaged thread. With an electric tool, not only torque can be measured, equally important is it to control the correct angle as a secondary tightening parameter to ensure that improper tightenings are detected. With this torque and angle monitoring function, it can be assured that the tightening is done correctly and within the specification. To summarize, there are many benefits transforming to electric tools. A great contribution to sustainability, laying a foundation for digitalization, reducing the number of tools in production, reaching the first level of error-proofing, improving production quality significantly, and last but not least, improving the operator ergonomics as well. Now let's have a look on that real case where a customer made the shown transformation. This heat pump manufacturer had high efforts for rebalancing, waste of energy, and quality issues. Therefore, the installed tool base was changed from air to electric. By doing this, energy savings of 92% were realized. The flexibility got significantly improved, and traceability plus operator feedback was introduced. Starting a new operation requires thorough planning, implementation, and training. Getting started quickly and smoothly ensures value is delivered from the first day. Tailor-made service solutions are needed to minimize setup, costs, and time, assuring equipment delivers the right first time, with ensuring an optimum quality level and cost efficiency. Only by this it is possible to get the most out of the done investments. An assembly process often starts with a single joining where 2 or more objects are needed to be fastened. With the support of Atlas Copco, you can feel in control of your production by having the right tool for the job and getting it connected in a flexible way. With our flexible ecosystem, we can help you to transform your manufacturing processes and help you fulfill your sustainability, productivity, and profitability goals. Atlas Copco is your integrated partner for the smart factory and beyond. This is how we will continue to offer our customers increased uptime, a reduction in defects, seamless new product introduction, improved productivity, along with easy and smart human interaction, as well as achieving manufacturing designed for energy efficiency. Atlas Copco, your integrated partner for a better tomorrow.